Here's your Toyota RAV4 key. Now to open this up we need a flathead screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver to put it right in that slot and then twist it. Give it a firm twist and that's going to pry the remote open. There you go. Now if you open it the way I just showed, the keys are going to fall off and you can put it back in, but it's just extra work and it's going to test your patience because it doesn't just go in right away. You have to be careful with this. It's going to take a few seconds to go back in, but it goes in. But if you can avoid it, just avoid it. Just take it out the way I'm showing you now. Take the back cover off, get the remote off, and just leave the key on the table. Now get the screwdriver and let's pry this black cover on the remote part off. There's one clip there and the second clip right over there, and the black cover comes off. This is the part that takes a little time, so be patient with it. It's gonna come off. Now get the screwdriver and pry it out from right at that edge. One more time, and the battery may just pop off, so be careful. And it does. Here it is. The battery type is CR2016, says it right there on it. The positive side has all the markings on it, the negative side has no markings. Even the remote says CR2016, and it says that when you put the new battery, you put it with the plus, the positive side upwards. So put it back in the way I'm showing, get it in position. That's good. Get the black part for the remote back on. Just press them together to secure it. That's good. Now just put it back in the key. Get the other part of the remote back in position, and now press that together to secure it, and let's go try this out. It's working fine and hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.